Very cheerful morning, students. Today we will understand IPO cycle. Children, IPO cycle means input, processing and output. In this, first we input to the machine, then machine process the input and we get the output after processing of the input. This is called the IPO cycle. And now children, we will understand IPO cycle in our day-to-day life. Like see in this picture, you will see a boy is making toys with the clay. For that, he is taking clay of different colors. So, different colors clays are input. Now, boy will just play with the clays and try to make the toys. This is called processing, and finally just boy get the toys made with the clay is called the output. Now see children, another example. As you can see, there is a hot yummy pizza's picture is there. To get the hot yummy pizza, first of all we need a pizza base with some toppings. Then we just place the toppings on the pizza base and we will place the pizza inside the microwave oven, and we will just set the timer. We will start the microwave oven button and microwave oven start to bake the pizza. This is called processing, and after a specific time the pizza will be baked and we will get the hot yummy pizza. So children, in this also microwave oven is working on the basis of IPO cycle. Another example is washing machine. We know that washing machine is used to wash the clothes. Washing machine is children also working on the same cycle: input, processing and output. In washing machine's case, we have to just take the dirty clothes. We will just put dirty clothes in the machine. We will take washing powder. We will take water and pour in the washing machine. These are the inputs for the machine. Then we will just start the washing machine and it will wash the clothes, and after that we will get the neat and clean clothes. So washing machine is also working on the IPO cycle. Children, one more example we can just see: digital camera. In digital camera, IPO cycle is working. Like to take the pictures from digital camera, we will just push the capture button. That is, if we are giving the instructions. In processing, camera lenses capture the light and transformed into the digital image, because digital camera accept the digital data, and finally we get the digital image on the screen, that is a output. Now we will understand that how IPO cycle is related with computer. As you all know, computer is an electronic machine and it also works on the IPO cycle. First we have to give input to the machine, it accepts the input and it processes the input and provide us output. For that we have to give instructions to the machine. So children, computer works on IPO cycle. I means input, P means processing, O means output. And to just complete this cycle children, we need some devices. Input means we are giving data and instructions to the computer, and for this purpose we use input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. There are various types of input devices are there, and according to the data and instructions we use them. After that, as you all know, CPU is used to process the data according to our instructions. CPU is a brain of computer. It transforms data into the useful information that is important for us. And after processing of data, CPU just give us useful information, and through the output devices computer give us information. We use monitor to see the information. If we want the hard copy, we use printer. So children, you should understand that computer is a machine that always works on the IPO cycle. Thank you.